Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer assets to someone else's account on Bybit. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Bybit app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to home page. Here, tap on assets located at the bottom right corner of the home page. This will take you to your overall assets overview. Within the assets page, you have two primary ways to initiate the transfer. My assets overview or specific account page. Directly click transfer to my assets overview page to start the process and choose an account to view at specific details. From there, navigate to the transfer page to proceed with the asset transfer. On the transfer page, select the accounts for the transfer, and you also might need to choose the coin type if necessary. Enter the amount you wish to transfer, and then confirm your transfer details, and then tap on confirm to finalize the transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer assets to someone else's account on Bybit. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.